The front of your deodorant might promise 72-hour odor control, but the back can list aluminum, fragrance allergens, or ingredients the FDA flags. No big warnings, just fine print. Why do so many bestsellers show up in recalls? Today, we reveal 10 deodorant brands to avoid, and the simple swaps that actually help your skin. Tap like and subscribe to Clean Bites so you never miss an under-the-radar safety alert. 10. Old Spice High Endurance. Antiperspirant and deodorant. Pure sport. Almost 9 out of 10 Americans can spot Old Spice in a lineup, so that classic red stick is everywhere. Most people grab it without thinking, but have you actually checked what's inside? The label says aluminum zirconium trichlorohydrex, Gli 17%, right at the top. That's more than enough to block sweat like a champ, but it's a pretty intense formula for something millions use without a second thought. The rest of the stick packs: cyclopentasiloxane, stearyl alcohol, petrolatum, mineral oil, and a signature heavy fragrance. That familiar scent comes from a dense blend designed to linger all day. Here's the real curveball. In 2021, Old Spice aerosols were recalled after outside labs found benzene, a chemical tied to cancer, in certain batches. Sticks weren't pulled, but seeing a trusted brand flagged for contamination shakes confidence. Most folks never imagined a favorite could miss a safety issue like that until the FDA and outside labs got involved. The Old Spice story proves that even brands we trust most can have a real blind spot when it comes to what we're putting on our skin every day. If you are still with me, give this video some hype right now, hit like, and subscribe so this series reaches people who never read labels. Keep watching because the next brand looks gentle, but the ingredient list says something else. Degree promises it'll never let you down, but is it as safe as it sounds? 9. Degree Men Original Protection. Antiperspirant. Cool Rush. Degree. Cool Rush looks like a sports locker in stick form, but that blue tube is more than just a gym accessory, it's serious chemistry. The label lists aluminum sesquichlorohydrate 16%, which lands this stick right in the high-strength antiperspirant league. If you think that's the whole story, check the supporting cast. Cyclopentasiloxane, ppg-14-butyl ether, stearyl alcohol, talc, fragrance, and BHT as an antioxidant. BHT is still allowed in the US, but a lot of health experts and clean beauty sites warn it may mess with hormones over time. And there's more. Fragrance is the #1 allergen in deodorants, found in about 90% of products. It's the most common reason for itchy, bumpy underarms, especially in folks with sensitive skin. Degree knows exactly how many people skip deodorant. Almost 70% did during the pandemic. And they spent big money telling everyone to start using it again. This brand studies your habits so closely, it might know more about your bathroom than you do. The secret might look innocent and gentle, but a peek under the hood reveals it's not playing around. 8. Secret Invisible Solid Antiperspirant. Powder Fresh. Secret's slogan. Strong enough for a man, made for a woman. Helped it dominate the shelf. But the formula is not what most shoppers expect. The active ingredient, aluminum zirconium pentachlorohydrex Gli, hovers around 15 to 18%, putting it right beside clinical strength antiperspirants you'd get for extreme sweat. That's just the start. Secret loads up with cyclopentasiloxane, stearyl alcohol, mineral oil or petrolatum, PEG emulsifiers, fragrance, and, yes, talc. Talc is controversial because the International Agency for Research on Cancer says it's probably carcinogenic to humans when contaminated or used in certain ways. The industry is moving away from talc, but it's still here, hiding in plain sight. Secret aerosol sprays were part of the benzene recall, not the sticks. Dove Men's Care's care message is everywhere, but the real strength is hidden in the details. 7. Dove Men Plus Care. Clean Comfort. Antiperspirant. Dove Men Plus Care. Screams moisturizer and gentle on the front, but the ingredient list tells a different story. Their clinical version loads up aluminum zirconium salts at 20%, the highest dose you can get without seeing a doctor. Even their regular stick uses aluminum chlorohydrate, surrounded by cyclopentasiloxane, stearyl alcohol, hydrogenated castor oil, fragrance, and BHT. You'd expect Dove's formula to match their soothing body wash reputation, but it's actually stacked with old-school chemicals and a strong scent. Dermatologists often recommend Dove body products, which makes the aggressive underarm formula a big surprise for a lot of loyal customers. Dove's parent company was tied to the benzene aerosol recall. Think Dove keeps things simple? Just wait until you see how Axe goes all in on strong formulas and even stronger scent. 6. Axe Phoenix Antiperspirant Stick and Body Spray. Axe is famous for its bold scents, but the Phoenix stick packs more than just fragrance. It crams in aluminum zirconium tetrachlorohydrex gly at 17 to 18%, putting it in the upper tier for sweat protection, way more than most users probably realize. The rest of the ingredients read like a science experiment. Cyclopentasiloxane, stearyl alcohol, mineral oil, talc, hydrogenated castor oil, PPG-14 butyl ether, and a signature synthetic fragrance blend, all stabilized with BHT. That's how Axe gets its notorious hallway filling power. But it's also why so many people get skin reactions from the stuff. Axe sprays were also named in the benzene aerosol tests. If you think budget means basic and safe, wait until you see what Suave puts on the shelf. 5. Suave 24-hour protection antiperspirant. Suave sits at every corner store and drugstore, known for low prices and plain labels. But the 24-hour protection stick is anything but mild. You'll see aluminum chlorohydrate at 20%, the maximum the FDA allows, right there on the front. That's a heavy-duty sweat blocker for a budget buy. Supporting ingredients follow the old formula: cyclopentasiloxane, isopropyl palmitate, mineral oil, stearyl alcohol, talc, fragrance, and BHT. Talc is still here, despite lawsuits and health warnings pushing brands to move away from it. The price may be low, but you're getting a long list of ingredients that wouldn't fly on a clean beauty shelf. Suave aerosol sprays were recalled after benzene was found. Ready for another natural surprise? Arm & Hammer's Ultramax is way more than just baking soda. 4. Arm & Hammer Ultramax Antiperspirant deodorant, unscented and fresh. Arm & Hammer's Ultramax. Unscented trades on the baking soda name, but what you're really getting is almost maximum strength antiperspirant. The label shows aluminum zirconium tetrachlorohydrex gly at 19%, just a shade below the legal max. That's more sweat-blocking power than most users bargain for. Supporting ingredients include cyclopentasiloxane, PPG-14 butyl ether, stearyl alcohol, C12 to 15 alkyl benzoate, talc, hydrogenated castor oil, petrolatum, and sometimes fragrance, plus baking soda and cornstarch. This is a dense, occlusive formula that traps sweat, oil, and product for hours, very different from the pure baking soda idea you might expect. Baking soda helps kill odor by raising pH, but it can irritate freshly shaved or sensitive skin, especially when mixed with aluminum and fragrances. Dermatologists often tell patients with random underarm rashes to start with the deodorant label. Right Guard's old-school sport label keeps things classic, but the formula is still heavy and packed with hidden risks. 3. Right Guard Sport Invisible Solid Antiperspirant. Fresh. Right Guard Sport looks like the definition of a classic gym bag stick. The label brags about 48-hour protection, but what's under the hood? The active ingredient is aluminum zirconium trichlorohydrex gly at 14%. That's still strong, even if it's not the highest on the shelf. The rest of the formula feels like a throwback: cyclomethicone, stearyl alcohol, PPG-14 butyl ether, hydrogenated castor oil, talc, cetyl alcohol, myristyl myrostate, polyethylene, and a big hit of fragrance. Together, That creates a thick film and a strong powder cloud, all set to hang out in one of the warmest, sweatiest parts of your body. What's the risk? Multiple studies say deodorants and perfumes are among the most common sources of skin allergies. In Europe, 83% of deodorants have at least one of the 26 regulated fragrance allergens, and about 30% go above the level that triggers a warning label. That means every time you use this stick, you could be rolling on something your skin can't handle, especially if you already deal with eczema or irritation. Old school vibes aren't always a win. What happens when a trusted, strong formula and a change in the factory process collide? Mitchum has the answer. 2. Mitchum Men and Women. Roll-on antiperspirant deodorant. Mitchum has always been the go-to for people who sweat a lot. Its roll-ons are famous for being strong. The ingredient list proves it. Aluminum zirconium tetrachlorohydrex gly at 20% sits at the FDA's absolute max. For antiperspirants, you can buy off the shelf. If sweat is a problem, this is the stick people reach for. But take a look at the rest. Water, glycerol stearate, laureth 23, magnesium aluminum silicate, polysorbate 20, aloe, hydrogen peroxide, and silica dimethicone silylate. That's a big mix for a simple daily swipe. In September 2025, things got messy. Suddenly, social media was filled with photos and stories of burned, blistered, and peeling underarms. Some users said their skin felt like volcanoes erupting. What happened? Mitchum said the formula hadn't changed, but a supplier altered how one raw material was processed, which caused the problem. They apologized and tried to pull the worst batches, but there was no official FDA recall. Even the strongest, most trusted products can mess up fast. What about when an entire recall is about the way a deodorant is made, not even what's inside? 1. Power Stick Roll-On Antiperspirant Deodorants. July 10th, 2025. The FDA announces a recall that covers more than 67,000 cases of Power Stick Roll-On Antiperspirant. These are the sticks sold everywhere: Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon, under names like Power Stick for Her Powder Fresh, Invisible Protection Spring Fresh, and Original Nourishing Invisible Protection. Why pull them all? The reason wasn't a single dangerous ingredient, but deviations from current good manufacturing practice, CGMP. That means the factory broke basic FDA rules about cleanliness, equipment, and ingredient checks. When that happens, no one can be sure what's really in the bottle, if it's safe, or if it works the way it should. People trust Power Stick because it's cheap and easy to find. But when the FDA steps in and says they don't trust the product, that's a red flag you can't ignore. With daily products like deodorant, it's not just about price or scent, it's about knowing what you're putting on your skin every single day. Ready for better options? There are brands that keep things simple, safe, and straightforward. Let's check them out. Best option. Number 3. Schmidt's Natural Deodorant. Lavender and sage, fragrance-free. Schmidt's stands out by making its ingredient list easy to read. No aluminum, no talc, no parabens, no phthalates. The lavender and sage stick starts with just magnesium hydroxide, coconut oil, arrowroot powder, and sometimes baking soda. If you want to avoid blocked sweat glands or mystery chemicals, Schmidt's is a solid pick. Magnesium hydroxide helps stop odor by changing the pH on your skin, but does it gently. And arrowroot powder absorbs some moisture without stopping your body from sweating naturally. You still sweat, but you don't stink, and you can pronounce every single ingredient. People with sensitive skin or weird rashes often try Schmidt's and notice things get better fast. It pops up on every best natural deodorant list and gets the thumbs up from dermatologists, especially the baking soda-free magnesium versions. Want no scent? Schmidt's has a fragrance-free option, so no surprises or chemical smell. Native takes the clean idea to big box stores and makes it even simpler. Here's what makes Native different. Best option number 2, Native Solid Deodorant, coconut and vanilla. Sensitive. Native got popular fast for a reason. Most sticks have fewer than 10 ingredients. The coconut and vanilla version is a hit, but the sensitive formula stands out by ditching baking soda and sticking to coconut oil, magnesium hydroxide, and tapioca starch. There's no aluminum, no parabens, no phthalates, no talc, and nothing extra to hide. Native's claim of 72-hour odor protection isn't just hype. Thousands of reviews back it up. Dermatologists recommend Native to people wanting to keep their underarms happy and avoid common irritants. If you're allergic to scents, Native has an unscented version, but most are lightly fragranced and easy to tolerate. For people moving away from traditional antiperspirants, Native makes switching simple. You don't have to guess what's inside, and you don't need a chemistry degree to understand the label. Clean, clear, and easy. If you want the absolute shortest ingredient list possible, one last brand beats them all. Let's check out Humble Brands. Best option. Number 1, Humble Brands Original Formula. Aluminum-free deodorant. Humble Brands cuts the noise. 4 main ingredients: coconut MCT oil, beeswax, non-GMO cornstarch, and baking soda. Scented versions use only real essential oils or plant extracts. Never artificial perfume or mystery chemicals. On the label, no aluminum, no dyes, no parabens, no fake fragrance. Each ingredient does a job. MCT oil for smooth glide, cornstarch for moisture, baking soda for odor, and beeswax to hold it together. Sensitive skin options swap baking soda for even gentler stuff, so everyone gets a chance at happy underarms. Humble is the stick you can actually memorize. With a global deodorant market over $26 billion, it's wild how rare that is. If you're sick of surprises and label drama, Humble Brands delivers a stick where you know what's in it, why it's there, and nothing else. That's real peace of mind every morning, and a way better story than rolling the dice with a bargain stick or chasing after the next recall. Now that you've seen what actually hides inside some of the most popular deodorant brands, the drugstore aisle looks totally different. A front label might say sport, fresh, or gentle, but the ingredient panel can sneak in aluminum, talc, or even chemicals linked to recalls, all in one easy swipe. If you want more honest breakdowns like this, with simple swaps that make your routine safer without any confusion, subscribe to Clean Bite. Click the next video, because once you know how to decode deodorant labels and spot the real risks, you'll never look at your bathroom shelf the same way again.